Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install simple voice chat. So first thing first, make sure you have a version of Fabric, Bucket, Spigot, or whatever you need installed on your server. Then from there, just download the necessary version of simple voice chat that you need for your server. So now that you have downloaded the correct version that you need, head to the mods folder and you're going to drag and drop that version that you need into either the plugins folder or the mods folder. It should only take a few seconds, so it shouldn't take too long. Next thing, all you're going to do is click start on your server, let your server fully start up, and you will see a config file here. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down until you see the network category, then click on network and ports, click on open a port here, and it will generate a new port for you. You can add a note if you want for that new port, just in case you have multiple and you want to know which one is which, but go ahead and copy that port either by using Ctrl C or right click copy. Scroll all the way back up and go back to the file manager, open the config folder, open that voice chat folder, then open the voice chat server properties here, and you will see the port equals, then a random number here, and all you're going to do is paste in that new port that you open from the network and ports tab, and then all you're going to do is scroll down and click save from there. Just click on start on your server, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.